Lists in Python. Lists in Python. Lists are a group of elements that are in particular order. In Python, square brackets means a list, and each element in the list is separated by commas. Let's see how. To create a list in Python, first go to brackets and create any name variable for your list. As example, I'm gonna name it animals, then put equal brackets and then put the elements with the string signs. For example, lion, tiger, dog, parrot. Put commas to separate between the elements. After that, print animals and try it on terminal. Don't forget to save the file before trying on terminal. As you can see here in the terminal, the list of animals printed exactly like what it shows in the code. Alright, now if you want to print any specific element from the list, such as lion, you have to type print animals brackets and put 0 in the brackets, which means the first element in the list. That title method is just an optional if you want the first character to be capital. Then try it on terminal again. Yeah, look at that, line is printed well. So if we wanna print the element parrot, which is numbers 3, try this also on terminal. It works well, this one also. Cool. We also have another way to print the elements from the end to the first, which is type print animals brackets and put -1 as example to print from the end, which is parrot, and see that on terminal. So if we change it to -3, it will print tiger. Or -4 to print lion. Finally, you have either way to print the elements from the list by start counting from 0 or print from the end by -1. Cool, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.